In kindergarten, children learn through play and develop skills such as independence, decision-making, problem-solving, creativity, and relating to others. It is typically a half-day program that takes place in the year prior to grade 1. Children born in 2016 are set to begin kindergarten in the 2021-2022 school year. At Fort McMurray Public, we are an inclusive division where children of all abilities are welcomed into our classrooms. The classroom teachers provide children with opportunities to continue to develop their speech and language, fine motor skills, and gross motor skills through the support of the multidisciplinary team. Young learners establish a love for school while they are developing early literacy and numeracy skills, community awareness, citizenship and identity, personal and social responsibility, and creative expression through meaningful experiences. In addition to offering traditional programs, there are also programs of choice available at certain schools. We offer faith-based options at the Fort McMurray Christian School and Fort McMurray Islamic School, French immersion at Ecole Dickinsfield School, and Reggio-inspired programs at Walter and Gladys Hill Public School, as well as at Christina Gordon Public School. Please visit our website, fmpsdschools.ca, to get more information about registering your child for the next school year, as well as both parts of the kindergarten virtual open house taking place on March 18th and 19th.